For soaking, we have using half a cup of orange juice, 1/3 cup of black rum, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup tutti frutti, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of dried apricots, half a cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of prunes. Let it cook for 5 minutes on medium flame until the fruit soaks up some amount of juice and becomes soft and plump. If you don't want to add alcohol, you could use the same quantity of water instead of rum. For a plum cake, we have using half a cup vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, one teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. One and a half cup of maida, 1/4 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. We have using 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of walnuts, 1/4 cup of cashews, Preheat the microwave to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 50 to 55 minutes. Let the cake cool down completely.